My name is Anne-Marie Robert and my metric number is 25DDD22F1164.
Okay, my name is Fatima Begum Binti Abdul Latif. I'm going to present about question 1, which is identify and describe two techniques that we choose to do in the fact findings activities. We use interviews and surveys for this system. So for the interviews, it will involve direct introduction between the interviews and interviewee, facilitating in depth exploration of topics and the clarification of response. These methods conducting interviews either in person or remotely, recording session with the concerned and subsequent analysis. So there are two practices should be kept in mind when conducting interviews. Make sure the interview's questions are precise and focused to the goal of studies. And the second one is ask open-ended questions to entire respondents to offer thoughtful, in-depth answers. Which is essential for gathering data from the wide range using standard question which efficiently capture diverse viewpoints. The process entails carefully designing survey, distributing them across various channels, collecting data diligently, conducting through statistical analysis and presenting findings comprehensively. And the following excellent practice should be kept in when conducting surveys. The first one is make sure the survey questions are precise and focused to the goal of studies. The second one, for quantitative data analysis, use close-ended questions always. And the last one is make sure completing survey won't take too long and will be easy task for users.
State the suitable material or question to perform your technique chosen for the questionnaire interview. You need to include open-ended question and close-ended question. Open-ended question: how do you envision the integration of an RFID fingerprint attendance system into our college infrastructure? Please provide any suggestion or concerns you may have. And the second question is, in what way do you think an RFID fingerprint attendance system could improve to overall efficiency of our colleges? And another question is, what do you think are the current challenges in tracking student attendance in our institution? And the last one is, how important it is if you have the real-time attendance tracking and why? And now, close-ended question: on a scale of 1 to 5, how comfortable will you be with using an RFID fingerprint attendance system for recording your attendance? 1 not comfortable and 5 very comfortable. So you want to answer, are you familiar with how RFID technology works? And the second one is, do you believe that implementing an RFID fingerprint attendance system will improve attendance accuracy? Will you be willing to use a mobile app for attendance tracking?
For the question Roman 2 is state the suitable materials to perform the techniques chosen. The first one is for interview. We use open-ended question. As we see, how do you anticipate student and staff members reacting to the introduction of an RFID fingerprint attendance systems? The second question is about to describe features for an RFID fingerprint attendance system. The third question is about describe your thoughts on the proposed RFID fingerprint attendance system. And then we can describe about how it will be benefit to our college. The last question for open-ended will be describe about experience from other institutions that have similar RFID fingerprint systems. For the close-ended questions, will you prefer using RFID fingerprint attendance system over traditional attendance tracking methods like manual or clock? You can answer yes or no. And then the second question is about, are you worried that using RFID technology to track students will violate someone's privacy? And then you can answer yes or no. And the other questions are same like that.
Another question is, prepare a functional decomposition diagram FDD to show the business function. And the first one is, fingerprint attendance system is introduction, system setup, data management, attendance tracking, and attendance recording and reporting analysis. For system setup, they have two: fingerprint reader and maintenance, and then data management, and they have get student data and data privacy. Attendance tracking, scan fingerprint of students, record in or out, real-time tracking. And attendance recording, generate report, and report and analysis is get report. Now we will see FFD. The diagram shows the following step involved in using an RFID student attendance system. First one is system setup. This involves setting up the RFID fingerprint reader and inserting RFID biometric to students. And the second one is data management, as previously I said. This involves storing students' data such as names and ID number in database, and then attendance tracking. When a student arrives at the college, they can scan their fingerprint as RFID reader. The reader transmits the student ID number to the system, which marks the student present for the class. Attendance recording. The system records the student attendance data, including the date and time. Report and analytics. Teacher and administration can use the system to generate report on a student attendance. This report can be used to identify students are frequently absent. And also RFID student attendance system can offer a number of benefits over traditional paper-based attendance system. They are more accurate and efficient. They also can provide valuable data and can be used to improve our attendance system.
Diagram level 1 to show the flow of data